Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm talking to you if you're a podcaster, a developer, a creative person, you want to make courses, you want to record stuff, you want to be awesome just putting stuff on the internet and you don't want to like blow out the budget completely. I'm going to show you a few things that I found out using OBS, which I can't say enough about OBS, how good and how flexible and how amazing it is. And then in terms of check out my mixer that I've got now, I'm running this Mackie mixer. There's another video on my channel about this mixer and why I chose this over the Yamaha MG10. I chose it over this one. Watch that video. I'll try to put a card up there. It's coming out right away with this video. But I wanted to show you, like today, I'm running this setup right here on OBS. And I know some of my friends have been asking me about this, so I'll just show it to you. And I ran it on OBS. I have a Logitech C920 webcam, okay? And the other thing I just figured out this week is you can use your iPhone on OBS and you can cut to it. So literally, if I want to cut to my iPhone, I can just cut to my iPhone like this. So I'm on my iPhone and I can say, oh, check this out. Some of my videos I've been doing that I can just kind of get down in there and do it. But then I can click this button and be right back on my main screen. Now that's a little bit more advanced than what I wanted to start to set up. But this little thing right here was like so easy to do. Literally, I just plugged it in and put an app on my phone, okay? That's how easy this is. So if you want to, I'll make another video about how I did that. But let's stick with the real simple stuff. I am using an audio interface because I'm a musician. I'm using an audio interface. I want to be able to play my guitar and stuff. I want to have really good sound. When I'm over on my other desk, I have a SM57. It goes into a small mixer like this, okay? So that's what it is. This is what I'm using for all my little live streaming stuff. Now, right now I'm running OBS with this. This is my L12 mixer. It's a bigger mixer. It's more what I use in my studio, but I'm going from right now. What you're hearing is this little audio AT mic. Okay, so I got this. I really got a killer deal on these. I got 4 of these for really the price of 2 on eBay. But Audio-Technica AT87R, really entry level, but phenomenally good. So I'm using that because I don't have to have a mic right up on my face. So I don't want. Usually I'm using an SM57 on a boom arm, and it's right over there. I'll try to show you. You want to see my messy desk? See, there's my 57 with the boom arm. So when I'm over on that desk, I have the 57 plugged into the little Mackie, going USB into my computer. Okay, and then this is my computer. I'm using my computer as OBS. So I'm running that audio signal right in there, getting a good audio signal, and then I'm just switching between cameras here on there. So if you want to see what I can do here, I can use OBS. It's got this weird, whoa, that looks crazy. But I can change anything I want to. I can go to this camera, that camera. I can go to the different mixers. I can put up my little donate button. I can click the donate button. It'll come up on the screen. And actually, it just has to be above this, okay? So basically, I can have my little on-air button over here that comes on and off, okay? So you can kind of set OBS up to do this. Donate button is there. If you want to donate, you can donate. It's a good time to let you know. In our ministry, you can donate right to us. We are affiliated with ACT, which is a 501c3, and they help musicians like myself spread the gospel and do different things. You can put different things on here. OBS is phenomenal. And it's very, very easy to use. Okay, and it's free. It is free. And what I'm using right now is I'm using that camera right there. Okay, so I'm using this little Logitech cam, and my coffee's so far away. I want to reach my coffee. But I can't. But that's a Logitech. I've been using that Logitech for really simple live stream stuff. Okay. I think we're gonna really upgrade the system at the end of the year. I've got a plan for an upgrade, multi-camera, thinking about doing some other stuff, but I'm talking about doing this for like not thousands of dollars. I'm talking about a $100 webcam, a free OBS software, if you want really good sound, a $200 mixer, and maybe like a $100 microphone. So well under $1,000, well under $1,000. And if you know what you're doing and you can hook it up right, then you can do this. So I'll give you the overview. And I'll do a totally separate video on this extra thing. I know OBS, you guys that are OBS nerds are going to be more into this video. So basically what I have is I have this overhead microphone. I've got some lights. Okay, that's a different video. I've got the overhead mic. I've got it going into my little mixer over here. Okay, that's the audio, and that makes the audio controllable really good. We had a guest in our studio. I've got the Logitech cam there, and then I just have my computer running OBS. Okay, so all of that is very, very affordable technology, but can get you down the road even further. If you're not going to do music, and you're not going to worry about mixing and reaction videos and other like stuff that you're doing that you need other audio mixing capabilities, there's no need to even buy a mixer. I bought a fine microphone, USB microphone. It's over there. Where is it? It's one of these microphones. I'll grab it and show it to you. This microphone is, number one, it's beautiful. Okay, it's pretty, it's beautiful, sounds great. You put it on a mic stand and you don't even need a mixer or anything. So it's like 59 bucks. I've used this a lot in my other videos. It glows blue. Everybody always goes, what is that mic? Okay, it's cheap. Compared to the studio mics that I have in my arsenal, this is cheap. This is the one of the cheapest mics I have, but I put it on there, I plug it in USB, I don't need anything. It sounds so good. It gets the job done. The setup I'm using now would be because I want to grab my guitar and play it, or I want to have a person in here play with me and mix some stuff together. But this is just a basic going streaming. So I am not streaming this. This was a YouTube video I made. I recorded it on OBS and I'm going to upload it to YouTube. But the next version of how to make this really awesome for you guys is use restream.io to stream to all the platforms. We go my Facebook page, my Facebook profile, my Facebook group for my worship group, my YouTube account for my worship group, my Periscope, which is like Twitter video, and also I'm thinking my Twitch account. Like there's 6 platforms. I hit one button on OBS. Once you set it up, one time you can hit one button, go live to all platforms. So if you're streaming live, very easy streaming setup. You can kind of have your own little production studio, very inexpensive cameras and mics, and you can go live. That's what I'm doing here. So I'm just showing you this because I work with a couple different partners, and they have a lot of different people that are like trying to make online courses or make content, or some of my friends who are saying, how are you doing this? This is how I'm doing it. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how I hooked up my iPhone to OBS to just use it here. Now, my iPhone camera is actually probably better than that Logitech camera. You be the judge. Check this out. So if I want to do the camera here, check out this OBS. So see, this camera, I feel like is almost better. The quality is cleaner. It's the iPhone, dude. It's the rockin' iPhone. It rules the world, right? In terms of cameras. This camera over here, it's a little grainy. It's a little less pretty, but it's easy. I just stick it on there, throw it back there, plug the USB in, and go. From now on, now that I have this little iOS thing, I may be using this because I really feel like it's cleaner, it's better, it's just nice. So you don't even need a webcam anymore. Get yourself one lightning cable and watch my next video on how to hook your iPhone into OBS, and there you go. Just make sure. I had a very fatal error. I had to make sure I turned the mic off on this because every time I cut to it, it was like double audio. Don't do that. Do awesome stuff. Let me know if you have any questions. I really appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. Subscribe to the channel. It helps me out. If you really, really, really want to help me out, just click the donate button, worshiptheking.com/partner. You can become a monthly partner, a one-time gift. Everything helps. And I really need your help to continue to forward this ministry, to reach more people for the gospel, for basically helping them learn fast, play well, and worship always, and do that for their church, for the ministry. God bless you. I'll see you on the next video.